How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. We're at the auction. I'm looking for there's a few things I'm looking for specifically. I'm looking for a Chinese mini excavator. I'm looking for a 4-in-1 bucket. And there's some T-post here, a lot of T-post that my wife wants me to grab. So I'm going to do that. And then we'll see what else. I'm also interested in a light cart. So if we see a light cart, I may look at that, but at least a Chinese mini excavator and a 4-in-1 bucket. So let's go check out and see what all they got. Hey, good morning. Please. I don't think I think I registered for auction like 6 months ago or so. So I'm not sure how that works.
Was it here or was it at another?
No, it was here. Yes, ma'am.
But was it online or did you?
No, it was here.
You actually came in.
Yeah, so I might be in the system. I'm not sure. I didn't end up buying anything from the.
Okay, well, we only have this one here in January.
Okay.
Every year.
Well, whatever the last one was, I was registered. I came up here and got a
Okay,
thing.
well, you have to get a new number every time for every auction.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
So not to be technical, but it should be Hamiltonvillefarm.
It is.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
It
As
is.
long as that don't matter. I get that all the time though.
No, it is.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I'm a little bit, but.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. We all are.
There you go.
All right.
You are good to go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate
Have
you.
a good day.
All right, thank you. All right, so we got our number. I'm 1118. I guess you get a new number every time you come up here. Maybe if you're a business, you don't, but because I had registered earlier a few months ago, and I don't know. She said it sounded like to me. She said you got to register every time or get a new number every time. I don't know how that works. This will literally be the first auction I ever buy anything from. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's go take a look and see if we can preview some mini excavators, and then we'll go look at the tractor implements. Oh, there's some buckets right there. We'll go check that out. These are like heavy duty skid. There's some more buckets over there. Oh, I see one over there, I think. Let's go check that out. These are all brand new. Let's see what kind of, look at that big, that looks like a TYM bucket. Big old smiley face and old 2759 over there. Right here. $27.69. All right. I mean, the hoses, you can replace hoses. That's no big deal. Okay, so let me write this down, $27.69. It's not, looks like the only one I see. So I'm gonna try to bid on this one, and I'm gonna try to get it for $1,000, $1,200 at the most. All right, because you can buy these new. These run new about $4,000, somewhere around in there. So, like if I look at this right here, this gap. I'm really not too concerned about that with what I do. So, I mean, it's got some issues there, but I think she'll be all right. So, I'm going to put in my notes what I want to buy and the auction number. And then I got to figure out when they're going to do the bidding. $27.69. Like I said, I've got a buddy. I'm meeting Drew here in just a minute, and he can walk me through it. He's like a auction pro. And I'm gonna say $1,200 max. All right, now let's go look and see if it got a Chinese mini excavator. So the last time we come up here, they had like 3 or 4 of them. I was actually going to buy a mini excavator, but we didn't make it back to the auction in time. Compressors, This is not like a super big auction. It's pretty small actually. Okay, I see some mini excavators over there, so we'll cut through and go to it. If you wanted a rainbow motor with a rock in it, they got one for you right here. Holy cow. Oh, that thing's making oil. That's crazy, ain't it? See the... Oh, wait a minute. I see some. There they are. Yeah, so AGT or H12s or... Here, you know, they're all the same. They have a Briggs & Stratton motor in them. Looks like every one of these has a thumb. That one comes with an auger. A lot of them have auxiliary hydraulics as well. So they're, like I say, man, I think they're either like 15 horsepower or 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. But this is what we'll be bidding on. We'll be bidding on one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see what happens. There you go. That's what we came for. Now, there's something about the hour meter. The hour meter turns on. Like this one has 0. This one has what, 0.6 hours. That one had 16 hours. And I think the hour clock starts running if the key switch is on, or if you don't like disconnect the battery, disconnect. So the hour meter may or may not be representation of actually how many hours are on the engine. So toolboxes. All right, cool. Look how tiny this thing is. All right, cool. That'd be, you know, we're going to see what we can get. Oh, that one comes with the attachment, but it has the bucket right here. All of them, they're all the same. Every one of them's the same. This is plumb for your, like if you want to put a hydraulic thumb on it or like an auger, something like that. Beats a shovel. That's all I can tell you. So they have a 4-in-1 bucket. They have a mini excavator. And let's go see if we can find something else. All right, my buddy Drew's over here. Yeah, I think he's looking for a bulldozer. So we'll go talk to him, see how much money he's going to spend today. Look at that boy. He's always ratchet jawing, ain't he? Oh, Lord. Man, that's a big old truck. Golly. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Did you have a fun birthday party? Huh? Give me some of that. Can you do that? Good job. That's right. Did you come up here with Daddy? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I ain't been here 5 minutes looking at him. He's already trying to chew the guy down on the price about $10. You hear that? That's a nice dozer.
The one I looked at last weekend, I probably should have bought it.
Yeah.
What's up, man? You're losing weight, man.
I am losing weight.
The one I looked at last weekend was just like this, except it was it was a J model, 2008. I think it's an 18.
Yeah.
It had about half the hours this one does. I haven't been up in this machine yet, but this machine's obviously a lot rougher. I probably should have caught that one last weekend.
Yeah.
But it was an 08, so it was it just had like the tier 1 emissions.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I'm sure it does. Yeah, I'm sure it does.
The only dozer I think that I would like out of this group would be the older 650.
Oh yeah, yeah.
People don't realize it, but there's a big difference between a 700 and a 650. That's just 10,000 pounds heavier than that.
Wow.
50 more horsepower.
Well, you better get rid of that Ford and buy Dodge.
Oh shoot, old son. You done lost it now. You done lost it now. Hey, that OBS 40 years will walk circles around. Boy, what you doing? You looking at the catalog?
Yeah.
I think it's a lid.
I love bulldozers. Oh, for your throttle? Yeah. Oh, it's on the button on the key. Yeah. I think you got to hit that to for the rabbit. I thought. Or maybe is there thumb? Yeah. Maybe the thumb control has something too. Yeah. I'm trying to remember. I rented a brand new 450 last year, or year before last, maybe. I'm trying to remember how the throttle worked on that. Yeah. Oh, it is the button. It is the keypad. Big machine. So I wonder what time it's 8 o'clock. It starts at 8. The sprockets are pretty worn out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not, that's why I was sitting here trying to remember. There's another lever on your other side. Yeah. Okay. I don't know, dude. It went up. Maybe that's why I said the auction. 325 double B, 325 by Steve, 325 double B, just a bit, just a high, yeah, just a 3 and a high, 350, 350, 350, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a high, he's down over here, 3 and a high, and I got him over here in the back, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a high, and now he would be, 3 and a quarter bit high, 3 and a quarter bit high, and total value is $345. 254. I've never had a last time that. Hey, look at you gave me one and I gave it to one of my cigar smokers that ended up with golf. So I'm just going to listen for a little bit to kind of get the flow of the auctioneer and stuff like that. Where the flag is, guys. Watch your flag. All right, even be at 500, even be at 300, 3.5, and now 4, now 4.5. 400 in now, half down, 500 now, half, 5.5, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 700 now, half down, 700, 800, 800, 800, 800, down, count, 800, double bill. I got 700, 800, 700, 800, 800, I think you're doing it, you got 800, 800, 800. How about 450 on it all the way? 825, 825, something right here, $800. So oddly enough, I want a light cart, but I didn't see a light cart here. So I didn't see him on the brochure, and I didn't see him on the lot neither. But I am interested in these T-posts. So these are 5 lots of 200 bundles of 200, and there's 5 lots. But from what I understand, the owner or the person that purchases it or wins the auction has an option to buy all 5 lots. But Drew's dad is interested in them, and I told him, I said, well, if you win, I'll buy a bundle from you, or if you win one bundle, because he said he needs about 100. And I said, well, I'll buy the other 100 from you if he wins it. So we might split it up that way. We're hoping we can get them for about $3 a piece, because new they're probably $6. Let's go look at some of these semis and see if we can. Oh, look at here. Before we do that, let's look at his motor. Hey, Wiley, where you at? This is better engine than what's in that Komatsu you got. Oh, man. So it looks like a pump of some sort that they use, but boy, that's in bad shape. That looks like some of the stuff we work on. Got a little welder generator thing there. Gas tank. An arc welder way over there. I wonder if that's 3-phase. You guys let me know in the comments if that Lincoln arc welder is a 3-phase machine. So let's take a look at some of this other stuff. I wonder what that is. It's some type of, is it some type of sandblast or reservoir for fluid of some sort? Yeah, it might be that's probably what it is. Some type of high pressure sink of some sort. Interesting. Some more of these posts, but these are not, I don't need those kind. Here's a ditching, a tree spade it looks like. So they're on Ring 2 has been doing some stuff. So let me show you what some of the prices are going for. And so a deer gate, custom deer gate went for $800, $900. These are the miscellaneous type stuff. So let's see. Yeah, they're in that, like the little small stuff. A Ford Expedition 2000. Come on, load. Okay, here we go. 2015 Dodge Ram, 3,500 four-wheel drive flatbed. Let's see how many miles it had on. 235,000 miles. It went for $29,000. A 99 Ford F350 went for $2,000. I wonder if there's something wrong with it. So that truck, oh, it's just a extended cab. All right, so I mean, they got all kind of stuff. They got boat lifts over here. Let's look at the non-running lot and see what they got down there. Maybe we'll have a good day. Maybe we'll get lucky and we can win us a Chinese mini excavator. So that 4-in-1 bucket is actually like lot number 2700 or 2800 or something, and so the mini excavators will go before the 4-in-1 bucket, but the 4-in-1 bucket will not go until a long time after the excavators. So I'm probably not going to stay. Drew said him and his dad are going to stay, and he'll buy or he'll bid for me, and then I'll just pay him. I told him what my budget was, so we'll settle up. It's good to have friends with money. Oh, let's look at this crane truck. Now this right here, this is something that Andrew Camerata would buy. What is that, a rock crusher? What is that? Asphalt, some type of asphalt machine? Let me know in the comments if you know what kind of machine this is. Probably asphalt. Ain't this what that is? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. My assumption would be it's a milled asphalt or crush and run or some type of gravelish type stuff. So over here, we're on what I call the father-in-law row, because my father-in-law has stuff like non-running pot up in his yard. Man, I'd love to have a truck like that. Man, we could get some stuff done. That was missing an outrigger. Got a place for a vise. These things are so cool. We got the port for the air. Yeah, these are awesome. Wheel loader. It looks like it's been seen its better days. So people like, you know, Diesel Creek, Watch West Work, those type guys can buy this stuff and fix them up and make them running again. I can't do that. So I'll be all like, yeah, I don't know what to do. I mean, even if you get them super cheap, you know. You guys like auctions? What's the last? Leave a comment. Let me know what's the last auction you've been to, because it's pretty fun. It's the adrenaline rush and all that stuff. Like I say, my budget is $4,000 for these mini excavators, and if I can get one for $4,000, that's $4,400 total. Well, plus maybe some taxes or something, not sure. But here in this auction, it's 10% buyer's premium. So it'd be $4,400 minimum, and then whatever the fees are or whatever. So that's about what I want to spend. I don't want to get too crazy with them because I've seen them go for $3,500 at auction. So maybe we'll get lucky and get one for $3,500. This right here, shoot, we could piggyback these things. Wiley's done it. Check that out. That's missing. How does that break? He got caught. Something caught it, didn't it? Broke that off. As is got motor issues. I say it's got more than motor issues. That's why maybe I should. I think this is a Volvo. Yeah, Volvo. It's hard to believe a Volvo with motor issues. That was a joke. So I was talking to a friend of mine at church. He's a master Mac mechanic. He said that Macs are having serious problems with their new transmissions that they hook up, that they mate to their tractors and stuff. And he was like, yeah, man, he goes, we're not very impressed with those guys. And he also said that some of the wiring harness, the Macs are having some wiring harness issues because now he does a lot of, one of the big customers at his shop are garbage trucks. And so he was telling me that this is in the garbage truck industry. So anyway, let's go see if they got a dump trailer. If they have a dump trailer, I might text Drew and tell him to hang out for that dump trailer as well. A couple of dump trailers, but I don't see one's big enough. If I'm going to buy a dump trailer, it's going to be a 7x16, maybe an 8x16, but at least a 7x16. Footer. Standard. I wonder if it has a wireless remote. I seen a Lowell earlier. It's a 644. I was kind of studying it and trying to look at it a little bit. Iron Bull. That's a good name brand. I wonder how much this one will go for. If I buy a dump trailer, it's going to have spread gate, barn doors. I'm going to get that both options. But yeah, see, I think I like the scissor hydraulics versus the two. Some of them have a single cylinder. This one has two cylinders. But I think I'm a bigger fan of the scissor lift versus the cylinders. 14,000 pound rear ramps, toolbox, tarp cover. Yeah, you got to have a tarp cover. That's a necessity. So hopefully, or maybe those, it's just a tick too small for what we need, though. I don't know what kind, just a local company probably made that or something. But it's fixing to rain, so hopefully the rain holds off while we can go do some bidding on these excavators. So let's take off, let's get over there to the excavators, wait for the guy to come around, make our bids, and then see if we win or not.
Now we got the which lot's next? 1083. There it is.
Our niche used to be John Deere.
I'm going to give you a sticker for your. Yeah, but because I'm looking for one to make content, make videos with, because they do well on YouTube, and I've seen them. Yeah, I've seen them. Yeah.
Cora, look. Jeez.
So would you recommend letting the first one go, just to see?
No.
All right.
I mean, I think there's enough here. Good. I mean, but,
Yeah.
612 the buyer. Now we're to 1083A is a little Bobcat
but like,
331.
I don't think you're right. There's so many people here. I don't think
Hold on,
you're gonna have
driver,
a
right there.
problem.
That thing
Yeah.
got it done? Right there,
Yeah.
I'm another, right there, I'm another 25,000. I got 20, I got 25, 25, 15. I got 12, I do what I'm going to get 15 pounds, I got 12, I do what I'm going to get 13 pounds, I got
That's a
13,
good price,
14,
man.
and now 15 pounds, or 16 pounds, or 17 pounds, another, and now 70, what am I going to get 17 pounds, another, and now
Looking at the
70, what am I
cab, it's
going
probably
to
got
get
air.
17 pounds, I get
Yeah.
now 18, and now 70, what am I going to get 18 pounds, I get 70, get 5, sir, 75, 18, 18, now 5, and now I'm going to get 5, here, what am I going to get 5, now 19, and now 19, now, you say 19, 19 pounds,
What do you
now
think
5, and now I'm going to get 5,
Pardon me?
What do you think the 60Gs?
I have no idea. 35.
20 you out, sir. 20 pounds are. I got 19 pounds there. 20. And I'm going to make 20 pounds. How many hours you got on them? Oh, 20 pounds on there. 2,600. 20, 19, 20. You want to drive, but then we get 20 pounds. I get 20. I got 20 pounds. I got 19 pounds. I get 20. I get 20 pounds. You want to get so 19.5. Right there, you bought it.
Price for
19.5.
that 331. It looks like it's pretty nice.
Yeah, the cab looks good shape.
446 is the buyer at
Melon,
19.5.
sheet melon all, dude. That's an older machine.
Now we're on this little green 1084A 60G, boys. Right there. How many on there about there? What do you think? My $1,800 machine, but there 60. And now 60 pounds. I'm going to get 20 by 30. I get 20 pounds. Then you get 30 pounds. Then you get 27 5. And now 30. And now 7 pounds. Then you get 30 pounds. Then you get 7 pounds. Then you get 30. Then you get 30 pounds. Then you get 7 pounds. Then you get 30 pounds. Now 30. Now 1. At 2. At 32 pounds. Then you get 32. And then you get 32. And then you get 1. And then you get 2 and 3. At 34 pounds. Another. And now 30.
Wow.
Then you get 34. Then you get 4 pounds. Then you get 30. Then you get 4. 32. 34. 35. I got 35. 34. 35. Jamie right there. 34. 35. 34. 35. And now 35. 35,000. Nice little machine, boys. 35,000 was her.
I told you.
35. And then 34. You get 35. Then you get 34. 35. Then you get 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 35. You want to buy it? But you get 35 now, son. And 34. 35. You want to buy it? 34. Then you get 35. Then you get 34. 35. Then you get 35. Then you get 5. Anybody else? Right there. 5,000 other. So
Yeah.
34 grand for
That's
Omar.
an awesome buy. Unless
34,000.
it's got like 8,000 hours.
697, 34,000.
Open
Now we got a
station,
little unused.
60G.
Now we're selling choice of how many? 3? They all the same?
Oh,
Not selling 2 yellow. Sell choice of the first 2. 1085, 1086. Is that correct? Right there, 3, 20 by 3. I get 20 by 2 down, I get 20 by 3. And now 3 pounds, I get 20 by 3 down, I get 20 by 3 pounds, I get 25 cents a day. I get 20 by 26 pounds. I get 20 by just a second. I get 27 and a half, 3 pounds over, 7 and a half, 3 pounds, 2 and a half, 32 a day. I get 3 grand, 2 and a half. Internet's on, 3 pounds over, I get 2 and a half. I get 32, now 5, then 35, I get 2 and a half, 35 and a half, beer 7 a day. And then 37, 15 to 5, beer 7 and a half, 37, 15 to 5, 7 and a half. She came out 4. I know 4 pounds, I get 4, here 4 pounds, I get 7 and a half, here 4 pounds. I know 4 pounds, I get 7, I get 4, internet's on, 4 pounds, all you water, right there, so he might take a boat, right there, 4 grand. I know 4 pounds, or 7 and a half, gotta go, but then get 4 pounds, you water, I know 4 pounds, or 7 and a half, get 4, now 2 and a half, internet, 42.50, now 5, now 4,500, now 750, is that right? And now 5,000, 7 and a half, get 5, now 2, I got 5 on the net, 15, 2, 50, 5 grand here, 250, I got 5, I get 2 and a half, 5 pounds, over 2 and a half, almost miss you, I got 5 grand here, 2 and a half, forget that little blocks, right there, 50, 250, I got 5 grand here, I get 2 and a half, I get 5 pounds, I get 2 and a half, you want to buy, I get 2 and a half, I get 5 pounds, I get 2 and a half, I get 2 and a half, you want to buy, I get 5, 250. So, $5,000. How many you want, sir? $5,000. You get 1085 for sure. Lot buyer number 4597.
If he doesn't take the other one, they'll sell it.
How many would you like?
I'll be shocked if not both of them.
1085. And do you want? Does he want 1 or 2? He just takes 1.
There's no room to make a
So
profit on that.
1085 is sold. We're on to 1086. Anybody else want 1 for $5,000? 35, 4. I got 35 here. Second one, my Dominican $4. I got 35 for the other one, my Dominican £4. Dominican 35, Dominican 4 here, £4. Dominican 35, Dominican 4. And now £4,000, Dominican 35, 4. And now 4,000, and now 4,000, Dominican 35, Dominican 4. 7.5, now 2.5, 42.50, you're out 42.50. I got $4,000 here, 2.5. I got Dominican 2, Dominican 4,000, Dominican 42, Dominican 4,000, Dominican 42.5. Chad, your man's in, 42.50. I got $4,000 here, 2.5. I got Dominican 42, Dominican 4,000, Dominican 42, Dominican 4,000, Dominican 42, Dominican 4,000, Dominican 2.5. You want to buy it right there, 250, 42.50, 2.5. You want to buy it, 2.5. So right there, $4,000. You bought a young man's number, please. Here it comes.
Get these people out of the way, you know, they wonder that. But don't be the first.
769. Thank you, Chad. 769 and 4,000. Now we got these aqua colored ones. 25 again, 3. Take 1 or 2. Oh yeah, 1087 and 1088. 335, 335. I can Dominican 35 here. I can Dominican 35, I can do down over 35. Down 4. And now 35. Here we go, Dominican 4. Here we go, 35 an hour. 4,000. Dominican 35. Dominican 4. Here we go, 4,000. Dominican 35. 4. I can 35. 4,000. I can 35. 37 to pay. I can 35. Here we go, 37. Dominican 5. Now 4. I can 7.5. Dominican 4,000 or 7.5. Dominican 4. You give me 4 internet. I got 7.5 on the floor. $4,000. And now 7.5. Here we go 4. And now 4,000. Dominican 10. Dominican 4. Dominican 4. Here we go, 4,000. Dominican 10. Dominican 4. Dominican 4. Here we go, 4,000. Dominican 10. Dominican 4,000. Dominican 10. Now 2.5. I got you. Give me 42.50, young man. I got took 4 right here on the net. 42.50. Now 5. Now 4,500. Now 7.50. Now 47.50. And now 4,500. 7.50. I got 45. Baby, get 7.5 here. Now 40. Now 5,000 on her. I got 7.5. Chad's man's in 5,000. And now 5,000. Baby, get 5,000 on her. And now 5. Baby, get 5,000. Baby, get 5,000. You want to buy her? Baby, get 5,000. Baby, get 5,000 here. 5,000. So 47.50. You took 1087, sir. What's the number, please?
357.
357. Runner-up bidder, you want the other one before she gets higher? He takes them both. Times 2. Times 2.
He thinks he's going to lay them low.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
357. So 87 and 88 are gone. Now we're on 89 and 90. Pull up driver. 25 again, $3,000, 89 and 90, 1089, 1090. Pick 1 or 2, about there, 25, 3, 35. I can make it 4, and I'm 4, 45. I can put it 45, I can 45, I can 45, I can 45 and 5, 45 and 5, 2 don't have to use that, 42.50. I can $4,000 here, 2 don't have, I'm at your internet, wait, but they get 2 don't have here. I can put it 2 don't have, no, 2 don't have, no 5, and I'm 45 and 9, get 2 don't have, 45 and 9, get 2 don't have, 45 and you want to make it 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 45 and there. So on the net, 42.50. How many would you like, sir? 1089's gone, and his number is 4492. 1 or 2. Times 2, they're gone.
They're gone. There you go.
Now we're up to 1091, a nice little Vermeer trencher right there.
Well, I didn't win. Yeah, that's how it goes. I could have, you know, I could.
I know. You
Yeah,
never know.
you never know.
Whoever got it, they could have won it spent 6 or 7.
Yeah, that's right.
Because last weekend I was at the same position except times 10.
Yeah.
I was at 40,000 and 42.50 got it.
Yeah. All right. Well, what do? You know, you come back and try again later, I guess. So, but hey, there was one that was 42.50. Have you heard that? So it was $250 over my budget, and you know, could I have done 42.50? Would the next guy would have done 4,300? Who knows, right? That's just a gamble you pay. But I don't know. We'll try it again. I'm going to another auction soon, and so we'll go down there and we'll try it out and we'll see. But the next auction, I've learned some lessons, right? The next auction I'm taking my buggy with me, and I'm not gonna walk 47 miles, man. I'm gonna be able to take my side-by-side. So listen, we appreciate you guys. Read your Bible. Take care. God bless.